Have you ever dreamt of earning big bucks without any prior experience or investment? Well, today, I've got some seriously exciting news that'll make your wallet sing. But before we dive into this treasure trove of opportunities, do me a solid and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our money-making secrets. Imagine completing missions, sharing your thoughts and opinions, and getting paid for it, all from the comfort of your home. And here's the kicker. You can potentially pocket a whopping $1,000 in just 10 hours. But hold on, I'm not just talking about any ordinary missions. We're talking about collaborating with some of the world's top companies, solving real-world problems, and shaping the products and services you use daily. Sounds interesting? Well, it gets even better. So, stay tuned and buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through this incredible opportunity, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to embark on your own money-making mission. But first, make sure you've smashed that like button and subscribe to our channel so you're always in the loop with the latest and greatest side hustles. The website and app I'm about to introduce to you are based on a similar concept. It revolves around completing missions that involve sharing your thoughts and opinions. And the best part? You get rewarded with cash while doing it. As I mentioned earlier, there's the potential to earn $1,000 in just 10 hours. When you sign up on this platform, you essentially become a scout, much like in high school. You'll join a select group of critical thinkers and creative problem solvers. Together, you'll collaborate with some of the world's top companies to tackle challenging problems. Your role is to participate in research missions, and in return, you'll receive compensation for your valuable feedback. This feedback plays a crucial role in shaping the products and services that you use and love every day. I've seen missions pay as much as $235, so by completing a few of these missions each month, you can easily make a decent income. I've also helped people who finished a task that only took 5 minutes, but the entire process took roughly an hour. They earned approximately $185 for that specific task. The exciting part is that the money appeared in their app within an hour of completing the task. So, no more suspense. The platform we're talking about is Dscout, and you can find more information on Dscout.com. Dscout is available on both the Google Play and Apple Store. You can sign up for daily tasks for major companies, some of which I'll mention later in this video. Now let's understand how Dscout works. Dscout primarily helps brands connect with their customers to provide better service. If you have a knack for analytical thinking, or you were a scout in high school, or you enjoy problem solving, this could be the perfect side gig for you. Your analytical thinking skills will be valuable in providing feedback to these brands. There are 3 types of tasks you can participate in to earn money on Dscout. The first is diary tasks, where you share your opinions by completing multiple tasks over several days or weeks. It's not a quick one-and-done task. You'll need to put on your detective hat and provide feedback consistently. With diary tasks, you can earn up to $200 per task. The second type is live tasks, where you engage in one-on-one video sessions with researchers. It's like an interview where they pick your brain to gain insights or improve their brand as part of their research and development. You can earn up to $250 with live tasks. The third type is express tasks, where you can earn rewards instantly, typically about $5 each. These are in US dollars. Now, let's discuss how much money you can make with Dscout. While some claim to make over $2,000 a month, it's not guaranteed and depends on the availability of tasks. However, many online sources and individuals I've coached consistently show that people are earning good money through Dscout tasks. In this video, our goal is to target $1,000. Whether you aim to make $1,000 in a month or in a week depends on your availability and the number of tasks accessible to you. It will also depend on the preliminary work, which I'll explain later in this video. To qualify for tasks, you'll need to meet certain criteria. So you could make $1,000 in a month, a week, or even in 2 to 10 hours, depending on the time you spend executing tasks. If your target is $1,000 in a month, you'll need to complete about 5 missions, mainly diary and live missions, which pay an average of $200 each. So, 5 missions multiplied by $200 equals $1,000 in a month. Essentially, that means slightly more than 1 mission per week, which is very achievable. Now, let's discuss how you can begin making money with the Dscout app. Search the Dscout application. From there, you'll need to download the Dscout app. Whether you're using an Apple or Android device, Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to choose to become a scout and then create an account. Remember earlier when I mentioned that there are certain preliminary steps you should complete to improve your chances of getting missions? Well, this is one of those steps. You'll need to fill out your profile with as much information as possible. Make sure you complete all the sections of your profile because the Dscout algorithm uses this information to determine who receives missions. The more detailed your profile is, the higher your chances will be of getting missions consistently. So, don't just download the app and enter your name, and then wonder why you're not making money. It's important to put your best foot forward in every situation. If there are requirements to meet, make sure you complete them to increase your chances of success. By winning missions, you'll be on the path to achieving financial freedom that we're all striving for. Once you've joined, keep an eye on your email because you'll receive an invitation to a welcome mission. This mission is designed to teach you the basics of using the Scout app and best practices for answering open-ended and video questions that you'll encounter when completing missions. The welcome mission consists of 2 parts, and after you've completed the second part, you can expect to be notified within approximately 10 business days. If you've been given the green light for express missions, keep in mind that you can become eligible to answer questions and earn some extra cash shortly after receiving your approval via email. As long as you've followed all the necessary steps correctly, you'll be able to view available opportunities on the Explore section of your app. You'll also receive notifications when you're invited to participate in a mission, so you don't have to stress about checking all the time. Although I do suggest doing both. Keeping an eye on notifications and occasionally exploring the available options. When it comes to payment, you'll receive your earnings through PayPal within 5 to 10 business days after completing a mission. Here are some extra tips to maximize your earnings on Scout. Firstly, as I mentioned earlier, don't solely rely on notifications. Frequently check the app for new missions that match your qualifications. Missions don't always arrive through notifications, and you wouldn't want to miss a good opportunity. It's crucial to complete the welcome mission so you can qualify for express missions and earn extra money while you work towards your goal of $1,000. Most importantly, only apply for studies or missions that align with your skills, competencies, and experiences. This not only increases your chances of being selected, but also allows you to provide valuable feedback because you know what you're talking about. Apply for as many missions as possible and take a proactive approach. Don't just wait for them to come to you. For missions that require video recordings, ensure you record them in a well-lit space and maintain a positive and engaging personality during the recording. Avoid coming across as annoyed. It's important to convey a pleasant demeanor and offer constructive feedback with a positive attitude. Keep in mind that nearly all missions have a video component, so if you're camera shy, this might not be the best side hustle for you. That's it for today. Hope you found that information about Dscout both informative and inspiring. Earning money by completing missions and sharing your thoughts is an exciting opportunity, and the potential to make $1,000 in just 10 hours is very amazing. Now here's where you come in. I'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experience with Dscout or similar platforms? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest opportunities and strategies for making extra cash. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.